The part of the sun we see from the earth, the part we call it as surface, is the photosphere. The sun does not actually had a solid surface because it is a ball of plasma. Above the sun's surface is its thin chromosphere and a huge corona crown. This is where we can see the features of a solar promises, flares and coronal mass ejections. Now we are going to hear the original sound of sun. The temperature of a sun's core is about 27 million degree Fahrenheit. This hot thing creates the outward pressure that supports the star's gigantic mass, keeping it from collapsing. So with this lot of heat, nothing could live on sun, but its energy is vital for the most of the life in the earth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.